installing your flywheel on your motorcycle. Quite a few intelligent people agree this is a secret to doing it correctly. And the secret is simple. You basically just heat up the inside of the flywheel here, so the taper that's here and the taper that's here grab tighter. This is your keyway right here. This just aligns the flywheel to the crankshaft, so the pickups on the flywheel can be timed right with your pickup coil. This is not what holds it in place. Tapers, this is a taper and this is a taper, make a nice, tight, snug fit. That's actually what keeps the flywheel from spinning on the crankshaft. However, this is very stout metal, non-flexible. This is very stout metal, non-flexible. It doesn't matter whether you apply 20 pounds of torque to your nut or 40, it's not going to grab any tighter. So how would we get this to make a better, snugger fit, just so the flywheel never spins on the crankshaft? Very simple. Just heating it up. I'll just use this simple little torch here. How does it work? Oh, there it is. Neat. I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to heat up the inside of this. You don't want it around here, the magnets, that will hurt electricity. You could heat it in other ways as well, but this will get it as warm as need be. Don't get it too hot because you don't want these magnets to get hot. Anyhow, at that point, you can go ahead and install this dude in place. Why would you do that? This has expanded now. The heat has expanded this, and then when it cools down, it will grab on the taper tighter. That's it. Very simple. Nice way to solve problems.